Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw monks from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna start off with drawing the top of her mouth with an arch curve line across. Semicircle turn downwards on both sides of the mouth, and I'm gonna mirror the same arch curve line for the lower part of her mouth. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw in the middle point a curve line across, and along the way I'm gonna draw some small rectangular shape at that corner. Continue that curve line across, another rectangular shape at that point, curve line across to the right, another rectangular shape on the right corner right there, curve line across, and on the right side I'm gonna draw two rectangular shape at that point and curve line across. For her nostril, I'm gonna draw a short diagonal line at that corner and mirror that on the right side as well. Above the mouth, I'm gonna draw her eyes on the left with a circular shape right there, and inside of that, on the top right corner, a smaller circle. At the outer corner of that small circle, I'm gonna fill in that space with black color. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the eye on the right side right here. Now for her face shape, I'm going to draw a curved line on the left side of her head upwards, semicircle turn across with an arch curved line to the right for the top of her head, turn it back downwards on the right side of her head. Extend it downwards with a curved line, and I'm going to turn it slightly inwards at the lower right side of her head right there. On her forehead, I'm going to draw across a curved line right there. And above her head, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards. Another similar curved line on the right side of that, and a circular shape at the tip above. I'm gonna mirror that same shape on the left side right here, and I'm gonna make it bigger. And another set of hair at that point. On the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it downwards. Mirror that same shape on the left side of the head. Now below her head, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across for the top point of her scarf. Semicircle turn downwards on the left side and another curved line at that corner. I'm going to repeat that same curved line on the right side. Curved line across from the left corner, turn it upwards in the middle point and diagonally up to the right side. Inside of the scarf, I'm going to draw from the left corner diagonal curved line across, semicircle turn back diagonally up on the right side. Repeat that same set of shape at the upper corner right there. On the left side of her head, I'm going to draw her ear with a curved line outwards to the left, semicircle turn downwards, and semicircle turn back to the right at this lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to repeat that same set of line along the edge right here. And I'm going to mirror the same shape for the right side of the ear. Now below the scarf on the left corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. And another similar curved line downwards on the right corner. Curved line across at the ending point below. Along that line, I'm gonna draw some small rectangular shapes. Now for her right shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, turn it slightly inwards, and back diagonally out to the right all the way to her elbow point, semicircle turn downwards. Below her shoulder point, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape at that corner, and another one below that, and another one at this lower point. Curved line downwards below the shoulder, across those rectangular shapes, and below that, diagonal curved line downwards and to the right, semicircle turn back slightly to the left, curved line downwards and flare it out to the right. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the left, semicircle turn back to the right, and semicircle turn upwards and slightly to the left. On the right side of her waist, a curved line across to the right, and from the same point at the side of her waist, a diagonal curved line upwards and to the right. Another similar curved line at the outer corner right there, and at the ending point above, a curved line across. Above the glove at the inner corner on the left, a diagonal curved line upwards and to the right, and another diagonal curved line across to the left. Now for her left shoulder, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards, diagonally to the left, and below her shoulder point, I'm going to copy the same shape as her right arms with some rectangular shape at that corner and curved line across downwards below the shoulder point. Turn it outwards and down to the left, semicircle turn back upwards on her elbow point. Extended line upwards all the way to her wrist, flare it out to the left, semicircle turn back to the right at the upper corner, semicircle turn back downwards. At that ending point, diagonal curved line upwards to the right, semicircle turn back downwards to the side of her palm, and extended line all the way downwards to her elbow point. Curved line across for the top of her glove, and I'm gonna extend the line at the side of her shoulder downwards and to the left. For the left side of her outfit, a diagonal curved line downwards and slightly to the right, flare it back outwards below her waist, and curved line downwards to her knee and turn it slightly inwards at her knee. Below her knee, another curved line downwards, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. In the middle of her leg, a curved line across at that corner. Below that curved line on the left corner, I'm going to repeat the same shape as the outer line of her leg. For the inner line of her left leg right there, the right side of her ankle, I'm going to draw some arch curved line sideways at that corner. Below that, a line downwards, semicircle turn to the left diagonally and slightly downwards, semicircle turn back upwards on the left corner, curved line upwards, and turn it back to the right with a diagonal curved line. On her lower leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. I'm going to copy the same shape of the leg on the right side as well. Now on the right thigh, I'm gonna draw some small rectangle shape right there and a curved line across the right thigh at that point. On the left side of her thigh, I'm gonna draw her tail with a diagonal curved line outwards and downwards to the left. Same as you could turn back inwards with a curved line, turn it diagonally upwards to the side of her thigh. In the middle point of the tail, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!